Hi guys, it is Rappy VR, and today, wait, my voice sounds different. That's because I'm not me.
Yeah, my voice sounds different too. Let's just shrug it off. But we're gonna be killing every single dinosaur
Yeah, dude,
or alpha.
I'm
Yeah.
RJ. We switched headsets.
And I'm Rappy VR. We met up, we switched, and yeah,
Yeah, alright, let's do this.
I came to his ID.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Why do I have a feeling the egg is gonna spawn?
I don't know. Oh, it is.
No egg.
No way. Dang it, bro. We always person. Alright. Enemy spotted. I say that line now.
Yeah, you've always said the line. Because you're special.
It's funny that I'm seeing my character and I'm in your character.
I don't know.
Please egg, please egg.
No egg.
No egg. Enemy spotted. I hope this is the day that we get it. Shoot! Frick. Holy dingleberries.
Bro, the holy dingleberries is crazy. No egg.
No egg. Dang it!
Alright. Enemy spotted. Dinosaurs spotted. I'm gonna kill the mini boss first.
Yeah, kill the mini boss first and then get the egg.
Yeah, just in case we get the egg, it'll be safer.
Hit the belly. You hit the belly, I hit the head. Dang it!
Alright, we got no eggs, but at least we did get a good plot. Okay, now you do the outro.
So, that is every single alpha in the game. We'll see you in, like, part 11 or something. But, bye!
I'm RJ.
And I'm Rappy VR.
But
I like cheese.
technically he's RJ. We're just gonna cut this part out of the video anyway.